What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another PC build. Today we're going to be building a Ryzen 5600X PC, mainly for light gaming, major productivity, and things like that. So let's run to some of the parts. This is the Ryzen 5600X. So great CPU. We're going to pair it with a B450 motherboard that is Ryzen 5000 ready, so that's going to go into the build. For storage, we're choosing a Inline Platinum 1TB SSD, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 3060 Ti from Gigabyte. So to put it all together, this is going to go into an O11 Dynamic Mini. I'm sorry, the Air Mini. We're going to include 6 of the Lian Unifans. They're great fans. I love them. This is what I pretty much use on every single build, unless the client or the person who wants to build the computer or who's paying for the computer wants something different. So I stand by this, not only because it's super clean, minimal wires, so you don't have to do a lot of cable managing in the back of the computer. So, and it helps too. So alright, so we're going to start by unboxing some of these parts, and as we go along we're going to start installing them on the motherboard. Alright, so let's start with that. Build is going to be completed in a few days. I'm going to be testing it, make sure that it runs smooth and everything is working fine. But as of now, it's working. So stay tuned for a little bit of montage. I'll let you guys know how this particular build